Alright, we're back at the garage. It's beautiful weather. And this side of the fender is cut. Then I'm gonna do this side. Daan's over here as well.
Last shock.
Yeah. So I think you gotta angle grind it again.
For sure. I don't trust these strange imbus nuts.
Imbus nuts?
Yeah.
Hex nut thing.
It's like an imbus nut.
Yeah, but imbus is just a Dutch word. No one uses imbus.
Is it hex?
I think so.
Okay. Hex nut. But yeah, it's really nice because then
or I guess
first you make the nut too small so that the nut eventually would just disintegrate. But even if the nut doesn't disintegrate, the hex nut will just round itself immediately. So, great Japanese engineering.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Huh?
What?
Okay.
What you
so
doing?
I cut out the other bit.
Nice.
So yeah.
So
now
you're getting pretty
cleaning it up with the Dremel.
pretty good with the ankle grinder.
Yeah, I did. I made two mistakes. Here I did this,
Right.
and here I did this. So if those are the biggest mistakes I made,
Yeah.
I'd say it's pretty hard. Oh yeah, this is also a bit ugly, but I'll clean it up with the Dremel.
Satisfied?
Yeah, now that is very ugly, but it is more of one line, so I can clean it up with the Dremel, so it's actually better. So yeah, now it's Dremel time.
Okay, we're currently at the last part of disassembly. So this last coily boy is getting loose now. I did the exact same thing on this side. This one came off easily. This one came off easily with the pipe of power. And this one we needed to ankle grind. Usual master shit. And now let's see if we can free our coily boy. We freed it.
So what now?
I need to annoy my master guy enough that he has time to help me during his racing season.
You need parts.
Michael, if you see this, I will give you money. Please give me parts. So Jim, where are you at right now?
Yeah, I've dremeled a bit. Now I'm gonna sandpaper and see if there's any
Sharp
sharp edges left over, and then I'm gonna dremel some more if there are, and pretty much
Did
make
you
sure
do this
that
part? Did you do ankle grind it or did you use the
this plastic? I used the
Dremel bit? Oh no, the Aldi thing.
yeah, the Aldi thing.
Yeah.
But a good thing I didn't go any higher, because there's the loom over here. Up there.
Oh, so yeah, quite close. Did you see the guys from what is it? Top Dead Center, that new?
Oh yeah, with the
That were
Porsche.
the Porsche. Yeah.
Top Dead Center.
Yeah. They fixed it. Yeah. Apparently, you can just cut your loom, and you can find some guys after calling 20 guys who are magicians and can fix your loom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Luckily, I didn't do any electrical on this, except for the plugging of some plugs that we plugged back in.
Yeah, and we did. We replaced. Oh no, we got the fuel pump out.
Yeah, but that's just plug it back in.
Plug out, plug in. Yeah, exactly.
Put on the front fender on the other side, just to check what the fitment is, and it looks like if you take about a centimeter or so off, that it should be fine, because the wheel does go in a bit when it goes up. Yeah, we're gonna take it back off, and then we're gonna trim the fender. So I've drawn a line on the fender. It's about 1.3 centimeter at the top bolt. It's 1 centimeter here, and then it runs down. Can't really see that, but So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can cut this right. So the fender's trimmed, sanded it down a bit. Now I'm gonna do the next one.
Yo, I'm leaving. Forever. Never coming back. No, not quite that dramatic. I'm only leaving for now. So I'll let you handle it.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Bye.
First fender is officially installed. I need to wipe it down a bit, but seems pretty well in place. I think it clears. So yeah, let's do the next one. Both front fenders are in place. Oh, except I need to put this bolt in. But they're in place, and I'm busy sawing the back fenders. This one's already trimmed, and I gotta do the ones for the other side. Fenders are on. So now it's time to lower the car and take it outside. Also, just spoiler. So there it is. The fenders are on. And fitment's pretty alright, I'd say. I'm back from the test drive. I adjusted the coilovers to be sort of halfway between hard and soft, and the ride's actually really nice now. I don't think there was any rubbing. Let's see any closer. I don't think there was like anything, so I think this is a success. And it looks pretty sick. Like the fitment in the back is a bit tucked in, but here in the front is actually pretty decent. So yeah, success. And one good thing also is I need to bring the Colt to the annual checkup in like 2 days, so I can use the Subie to go to work while my Colt is having the checkup done. So yeah, nice. So yeah, that'll be it for today. See you in the next bit.
1 week later.
Alright, we're back at the garage. I've been dailying the Subie for the last week or so. Casper's over here helping me. Trying to get this fixed. Daan's also just arrived. So yeah, the Subie is extremely grippy. It doesn't know what understeer is. So yeah, it's pretty great. And now we're gonna put on the strips that were taken off. Daan, why don't you tell the people what you've done?
Okay, I made bad financial decisions. So now I've not only bought the parts that I needed, but also back control arms for both sides and the subframe front and back, because he had them laying there all sandblasted and powder coated for himself actually, and he said, I have this, you can buy it, but then you need to buy everything.
Okay.
So I bought everything.
Okay.
And it's not that bad, because if you...
Now the question, is your front subframe connected to the engine or your gearbox in any way? Because I think it's at least connected to the gearbox.
Otherwise I might just leave it and do that another time. But the thing that needs to happen anyway is the control arms here in the back.
So this A-shaped thing.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, so we're going to get this, I think, loose from the axle. Then I'm just going to leave it like this, because otherwise, hey, you need to do the ABS again, the handbrake.
Yeah.
Just leave it.
Also bought this?
It is also off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have like 2 of those, but you don't have any trailing arms up here. Remember how my car has an arm right here? Yours doesn't.
Yeah, right. I don't know why. And I don't know how the back subframe is, if that's really difficult, because maybe I'll leave it also on for now, I don't know, we'll see. And I got all new polyurethane bushings, big brakes for the front.
You have a bushing press.
It's polyurethane, so you don't really have to do it with a bushing press.
Okay, but how do you get your bushings out?
I have all new stuff, except for these ones.
Okay, do you have the nuts and bolts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Front and back. All in. So should be okay. Oh, and of course, new Cordy Boys BC ones.
Yeah.
Similar to the ones you have.
DC Racing, where's our sponsorship?
And these ones, of course, new. Because they're fucked. Oh, and these arms.
The anti-roll bar.
Exactly. So need to see if we also need to get the exhaust off.
Alright.
And where the subframe is home. So I might just leave the subframe because it's too much work.
Well, if you buy a subframe, might as well install a subframe.
Yeah. So much work. Let's first get these off. So even though I thought I was finished with getting everything off, now I need to get more off, so that's a bit of shit.
Yeah. Let's check on Casper, who's actually doing actual work. Nice.
We're getting there slowly. It's not going fast, but
Alright. We've cleaned off most of the gunk over here. Now we're cleaning the back of the strips. Daan's over there somewhere in the darkness hammering away.
poor guy.
Yeah, so there's probably a lot of wind noise. But yeah, anyway, we're making some progress, but it is slow going because the gunk is on a sort of metal strip.
That doesn't let itself to be peeled all that much.
So
Maybe now.
is it
There's
working?
gonna tear. No, it's gonna tear again. It's been
Yeah,
doing
so
it all the time.
it's millimeter by millimeter. We'll get there. Daan,
Yeah,
you've snapped the bolt.
I know. And I'm feeling a bit defeated right now. I don't know how to get it out.
Yeah, that was also with my.
Because it's f***ing long. How did you do it?
I bought a whole new rear axle, subframe, everything.
Okay, but it still needs to come off this.
Yeah. How did I? No, yeah, but I also bought that new. Together with the rear brakes.
No, because I don't want to do it because then you need to do the ABS sensor as well.
Wait, hold on. This side is now snapped off.
Yeah.
So what if you put a knot on here and pull it this way?
How do you do that?
By using the threads. There's nothing on the other side. You can say if the threads here, you can pull it out by the threads.
Yeah, but it's still fixed here. It's not
Is there threads on there?
Yeah, it isn't off yet.
Yeah, but is there threads on this side?
I don't know.
Daan apparently didn't snap the bolt, and we did some.
It was just very, very fixed.
Yeah.
But we got it out.
We got it out by me holding my foot up there. Daan used this wrench to wrench this side, and Cas was hammering over here. I'm cutting the rubber.
Side sticker thingies.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna use a knife to trim this a bit more.
good. How does it fit?
Let's find out.
Fine.
Yeah. So yeah, now just use a knife to trim this a bit. What's going on?
I got it off.
Got one more. Oh, this whole thing.
And these.
So all of these you've got new.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, basically what I'm doing is I'm sort of trying to dig under the metal strip and then scooping it up. Kind of. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Seems to sort of work, maybe. Hopefully.
So far the best we have.
Yeah. Oof, it's hot though.
So if we look at the results,
It's fucked.
it's like the roads in Eastern Europe.
Yeah. Alright, we managed to get all the garbage strips of metal off of the side strip. Now Cas is using chemistry to somehow further fix this. Cas, what are you doing?
Well, the nice part about this rubber is it's synthetic, so you can make it dissolve usually in oil, which pretty much is this. Hopefully it dissolves just a little bit, which actually it is doing. Makes it for a bit smoother finish, and then with some sandpapering you're done.
Alright, nice. So yeah, we're probably not gonna be able to stick those on today because we do need to trim them a bit more. But we do have the front trim bit on. So yeah, progress. Alright, we're about cleaning up. Well, we've cleaned up, and next time we're gonna put on the large strips.
Hope it's gonna be easier this time.
Yeah.
Think so.
And yeah, I'm gonna take Cas for a little drive in Subie. And yeah. See you guys next time.